Okay, so I knew I was a little bit behind on cleaning the house, especially right after the holidays, but I did not realize how dirty my house actually was until I started using this Banstle Crevice Cleaning Brush. Now, these were sent for me to test out, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go through the house, do a couple crevices, and see if I can find any dirt. I'm a little embarrassed. These brushes get into every gross little crack and corner, grout lines, window tracks, sink edges, door slots, all the places dirt goes to hide. One swipe and suddenly you're uncovering dust you didn't know existed. The hard brushes actually scrub instead of bending immediately, and the angled design makes it easy to reach spots you usually ignore because they're annoying to clean. I grabbed one just to test it, and it ended up cleaning for way longer than I planned because the results were way too satisfying, you guys. So they sent me the three brushes, which is perfect because one, you start cleaning one area, you'll want one for everything else. Fair warning, these will make you notice dirt you were previously living in peace with. If you like before and after cleaning wins and dramatic amounts of hidden grime, these little brushes are surprisingly addictive and definitely recommended.